Everybody is talking about AI. AI content writers, AI filmmakers, AI animation, AI everything. So today I'm going to be talking about AI fashion model generators. All of us know what models are, that try on clothes, that try on designer clothes for people, that you use them to advertise your clothes products. Fashion houses use models. But in today's world of AI, you can use artificially formed models, AI fashion models, to try on your clothing line to see how it fits, even before you even make the clothes. Because now everything is AI. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 best AI model generators. And so let's start with the first one. The very first one I want to talk about is Visual.ai. You know, in today's world, a lot of people shop online. But when you go online to a fashion shop, you have to go through so many styles. You have to go through different colors. You don't even know the one that will sit well with you, with your color, with your shape, and all that. But that is where Visual.ai comes in. With Visual.ai, they have an AI fashion model that you can generate that actually looks like you, has your shape and all that. And then you can try on different outfits, as you can see here. It lets you shop with different kinds of outfits. And they use 3 different methods to help their customers to shop using AI fashion models. So with their mix and match, as you can see, it is the augmented e-commerce experience. You choose your model, you swipe to style the outfit, and then you shop. Exactly as what you're seeing here. You see? That's Visual.ai. And then when it comes to their switch model, it actually helps their customers to identify with a brand. So they let you try garments on the models that actually identify with you. So it depends on what your color skin is, what your figure looks like. You have different kinds of figures that resonates with your figure, resonates with your style, resonates with your color. And so you can make an informed decision to actually choose what kind of clothes actually fits you by trying these clothes on these AI models that are generated when you go shopping in Visual. This is the next number 2 best AI fashion model generators. We all know that to create high quality on-model product photos is quite time consuming, and it's also sometimes a challenging task. Now, this is where View.ai comes in very handy. It tends to simplify the entire process with its cutting-edge technology. It uses generative adversarial network and can generate realistic images. As you can see, realistic images of models wearing clothes that look real. Now, this simply means that fashion retailers no longer need to spend hours taking photos of their products, or even hiring models and photographers, or worrying about lighting and angles. With View.ai's technology, they can easily create high-quality on-model product photos without all those hassles. Fashion retailers can also customize their product photos according to their preferences according to the kind of model figure they want that can portray whatever your fashion sense is. So View.ai can actually help you in their AI fashion model generation for your fashion e-commerce store photographs. Are you tired of always presenting your fashion designs as flat sketches or 2D images? Welcome to La La Land. I love this AI fashion model generator because their models look so natural. Just take a look at this. They look so natural. And this software, it integrates with Browseware. So it helps you showcase your 3D designs, you know. You watch your actual dress come to life. And it's quite smart that you can create your unique models in less than 5 minutes. And you can customize every individual model, from the hairstyle to the body shape to the skin to the size to the skin color, everything to reflect the kind of audiences you actually want to reach. That is why I love La La Land. You know, it brings your 3D design to life. So that is what I love so much about this AI fashion model generator. You know, gone are the days that you have to rely solely on traditional presentation methods that actually fail to capture the essence of your products. With lalaland.ai, you can actually create a more visual and live experience for customers, you know, and you allow them to see how your products would actually look on a live looking model. On a live looking model. It's so cute. So this here is my third AI fashion model generator for fashion business. We all know that traditional photo shoots, they have become so expensive and even time consuming. But with Boutica.io, fashion retailers can cut photo production costs and boost traffic using AI generated models. This platform generates hyper-realistic model photos 10 times faster than traditional methods and also cut down costs. You can upload any angle or pose or even headless photos, and then you can become creative. So you can use any kind of model to try on any dress. It's so simple, it's amazing. This platform uses advanced machine learning that allows users to create an unlimited variety of clothing styles on different models. The images that are generated are actually so realistic. Apart from that La La Land that I showed you, then this comes second for me. Boutica.io comes second for me when it comes to generation of AI fashion models, because they generate real life looking models for you to try your fashion products on. So that the images that are generated, they are so realistic that they can be used for marketing campaigns. You can even use them for your e-commerce stores, you know, to create pictures for your e-commerce stores without having to hire any kind of models, photographers, or even a studio. So with Boutica.io, fashion designers can actually showcase their designs in a way that is cost effective in a way that is very, very efficient. So this here is Botica.io. Now the last one is what I call the Style AI. That is styleai.io. That is how you get to this page. Now I like this AI fashion model generator because you can actually start free and try your hands on, how to generate a fashion model. You can start free. I think their prices too are quite reasonable, but all I know is that you can actually start free and you can register with just an email and a password, and you can start using styleai.io. There are different ways you can use it. You can convert a mannequin. If you have a mannequin in the house and you created your style, once you dress your mannequin, you can convert it to an AI fashion model. All you have to do is to drag the image here and then create whatever fashion model you want. As you can see, you can create the race you want. You want it to look like Asian, white, black, Latino, whatever you want. You can customize the age. You can customize the impression. You can customize the smile. Everything. You can style it as you want. You can even style the hair. You can make it long. You can put the color, and you can create the number of models that you want, all from a picture of your mannequin. You can also do 3D designs to models. If you've created a 3D design, you can use it also to go from the 3D design to a real life model in minutes. And also they even have AI designer where you can design your products, upload your products, flat sketch, and then it converts it to a design. So that is how great styleai.io is. So those are my five AI model generators for fashion business. Go ahead and try your hands, especially on the last one that I just mentioned, the Style AI, because that is completely free. You can play around with it. You can generate models to showcase your fashion clothes, especially if you want to showcase them on your e-commerce store. You can showcase them, make them look alive, make them look beautiful and attractive to your customers. Even if you want to sell downloadable patterns, you can also transform them to 3D and then transform them to models to show how your patterns will actually look like when they are sewn, and are worn in the body. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be informed when I upload new videos on new fashion trends. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.